National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Lake County and East Central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Leesburg, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Lake Griffin, Lake Harris, Fruitland Park, and Leesburg Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Special weather statement. A strong...
Oh, you didn't activate. Ugh. Ugh.